Hi, it's Robin Banks again, and I am super excited about our upcoming free seminars. We've had an abundance of registrations and we are expecting a full house. So, I wanted to share something with you, just a little bit more about the power of your mind. Now, we've all heard the saying that your mind is both your best friend and your worst enemy. What does that mean? We've all heard it, but what does it mean? Have you ever thought about it? What does it mean that your mind is both your best friend and your worst enemy? Well, what it means is that your mind is your best friend when you are in control of it. When you are using your mind and you are its master, it is not controlling you, you are controlling it. Your mind is your best friend when you are disciplining it. Because you see, the mind loves discipline. It wants discipline. It wants leadership. It wants direction. It wants you to tell it what to think. And so your mind is your best friend because it'll produce whatever it is that you want it. It truly is your best friend. But your mind is also your worst enemy. Because if you don't control and discipline your mind, if you don't direct your thoughts, your mind must think thoughts. That's its job. It has to think. So if you don't tell it what to think, it'll find things to think about. And it will then become your worst enemy. Because if you don't control your mind controls you. And the mind can be a real dictator. It'll dictate your thoughts and take you places you don't want to go. So you must learn to control and direct your thoughts. And there are techniques that we can use to awaken the powers of mind, to direct our thoughts, to lead our minds and take us to places where we want them to go. So these are some of the techniques I'm going to be sharing with you at the free introductory seminars. So once again, just a quick recap of the three main focus areas. We're going to be speaking about becoming a magnet for success, that you are literally like a magnet in the sense that whatever energy you put out determines what you get back. How do you create that magnetic, vibrant energy? Number two, we're going to be speaking about the power of the conscious mind, the self-talk cycle, the things that you say to yourself and how that manifests in reality and recreates your belief systems. And number three, we'll be speaking about the power of the subconscious mind, how those beliefs, those deep-rooted beliefs are creating your life and why it's important to program and discipline your mind and use techniques to bring about the change. So I'm really excited. As I said, we have a full house tomorrow. I'd appreciate if you could be there early. So we'll see you at one of the upcoming seminars. Thanks again for listening. Go well, and don't forget to be awesome.